Hi, let's talk about the new features coming to ARM Treasure Data in May 2020. The big feature this month is the ability to set workflow secrets directly from the web console. You do this by going into Workflows, selecting the Secrets tab, then over there selecting the plus sign in the corner, and then a window like this will pop up. You can then in this window specify your secret name and your secret value, so it's then accessible from within your workflows. For connectors this month, our first big update is with our MixPanel connector, allowing you to use JQL to specify your data. In addition, we've got a whole series of new connectors coming in alpha and beta this month. So if you'd like to find out more information about any of these listed to the side here, please reach out to your local sales team for early access. Finally, this month, we've got a major announcement for anyone who's currently using the TD2TD exporter. If you're currently using this, it's currently using the V1 integration. Recently, we released our TD V2 API. As a result, the TD2TD exporter will be migrating to support this new V2 API. This is not backwards compatible with the V1 API. So if you are currently using the TD2TD V1 connector, you should look into the TD2TD V2 connector, test it with your workflows today, and consider upgrading as soon as possible. In the coming weeks, we will have a phased out implementation of the V1 connector, so that sometime by the end of this quarter, you should just be using the V2 connector. So if you'd like to get started with this today, we do recommend checking it out. That's all we've got for this month. If you've got any questions or feedback, please let us know as always at feedback.treasuredata.com, and we hope to see you here next month. Have a good one and stay safe.